What's going on, guys? Welcome back. It might not seem like it, but I am exhausted. I did not sleep good last night. I'll be honest with you. Had kind of a long day yesterday. Had a couple glasses of scotch and didn't sleep super good. So I'm going to be taking it easy tonight. So I've already had 4 espresso shots today just to kind of get my day going. And I went from a small job yesterday and a small job today to a full day yesterday and 3 jobs today and also 3 jobs tomorrow. So it's just crazy right now. It went from kind of a slow week last week, at least slow for me, not like completely dead, but it just slowed down a little, to just being absolutely slammed. I think I'm booked out now almost 2 full weeks, not including weekends. But anyway, wanted to share an update with you that I kind of decided on a whim today, and I'm pretty anxious and curious to see how this is going to turn out. So I actually signed up for the virtual assistant with Jobber. So it's a receptionist. So if I'm working or my phone's silenced or whatever, it's gonna go and answer questions for clients who are calling in or texting in. There's a lot for me to figure out now because this is like brand new for me. I don't really know much at all of how this is gonna work, but basically I got a few more things I need to do to get it fully up and like integrated, but this is gonna be huge. And I signed up while there was like a deal, I guess. So it's actually not very expensive, at least for me. I don't know. She was saying it's normally like $99 a month, but I think right now I got like 30 days free with it. So I'm gonna just really test it out a lot and see how I like it, because I do get so many calls and a lot of spam calls, and if I'm on a job and my phone's ringing, I honestly don't want to answer that call. I mean, I will if it's like me by myself there's no one in the house, but for the most part, I don't want to be taking calls while I'm working. So that is the main reason I'm doing this. And so I'm going to let you guys know what I think about that. As always, I'm going to put a link below to Jobber if you want to give them a try. I think this receptionist function is going to be game changing. I actually don't know if I'm going to like it or not. I can only speculate, but I really do believe this is going to be game changing for me. So I'm pretty excited. So there will be more to come on that for sure. Also, I got a couple videos that I'm going to be doing here very soon. I got some new boots coming that I want to share with you guys. I got a really good deal on them, and I'm hoping that they're solid. And so that's coming. I have a project that I'm going to be filming here. It's a real small project, but I want to show you guys that as well. I think it's going to be a good one just because it's a piece of safety equipment that you can do in your home. It's like a real nice upgrade. Also, I had a company reach out, and I'm not going to shame them publicly, but I'm pretty disappointed in them. They reached out to me to do a product review, and they were gonna like send me it, and there was gonna be like an affiliate, all that good stuff. And I told them, like, I'm interested. This was a good company. I was honestly really interested in it. And once I replied, they just like, she completely ghosted me. I don't know what the heck's going on with them. Maybe they got other people on board quicker than I responded. That's like all I could think of. But man, don't count your chickens before the eggs hatch, because I was actually really looking forward to working with them, because like I said, it's a bigger brand. It's actually a little shocked they reached out to me, but I was like, okay, I'll do a review of your product, because I already know it's a product I like. So, but anyway, pretty disappointed in them. don't know what the heck happened, but maybe she's on vacation. Maybe she'll get back to me in like a week or two, and it'll you know, this will just be like all for nothing that I'm renting. But anyway, hope you guys liked today's video. There's going to be a lot more to come, especially with that receptionist, because I'm going to be putting that thing through the ringer. I know the Bulletproof Handyman has already been using it, and he had some good things to say. So he's actually one of the main reasons why I'm going to give this a shot, see how it works for me. So anyway, if you like today's video, hit that thumbs up, subscribe. Go in that description for the link, and we'll see you on the next one.